Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the juicer with the fruits. So friends, take the pencil and the paper and draw according to me. Here I'm drawing the juicer machine. And then I'm going to draw the 3 buttons of it. Yes! Here I'm drawing the lid of the juicer machine. Yes! And then I draw the small spoon inside the juicer. Here I'm drawing the handle of it. Now friends, it's time to draw the fruits here. First, I draw apple. Second, I draw mango here. Yes. Friends, it's time for coloring. I take red color for the jug. I color red here. Now for the machine, I take dark blue. Yes, friends, are you liking by coloring with me? I enjoyed a lot while coloring. I also colored the spoon with dark blue. Now it's time to color the lid of the juicer with yellow. I color the handle with yellow. It's time to color the buttons of the juicer machine. First, I take yellow. Second, I color with red. For the third, I take light green. Now it's time to color the fruits. So friends, I take yellow color for the mango. I love to eat mango. Friends, do you? Here I'm coloring the leaf of the mango. Now friends, it's time to color an apple. So the apple must be in the color of red. Yes! Light brown for the stem. Lastly, I color the apple leaf with dark green. Here I'm taking the black marker to make the diagram more vibrant and beautiful. Awesome! The juicer machine with the fruits looks amazing! So friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of our updates. This is Rutaba signing off until my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye!